Ater stock news, October 25th. In today's Ater stock news, worst may be over for Ater investors. Alright, let's get started. Financial backers in internet business and innovation-empowered purchaser items organization Aterian stock might have noticed the expansion of two novel dangers in the most recent quarterly report recorded on August 9th. The main danger factor is identified with raised short dealer movement on Ater stock. The organization connected the danger to a short vendor report from Culper Research distributed in May. Ater stock cost declined by 81% between late May and August 20th, this year. A faltering 17% of the organization's public buoy remains shorted. I think the fall has to do with a transportation emergency and an approaching default on obligation contracts, around then. Notwithstanding, short dealer movement isn't a danger that investors would stress a lot over today. Should the organization skip back to productive natural development and tackle its lopsidedly particular transportation inconveniences, it will disgrace doubters. Short merchants might be pressed out of the exchange, and if that happens, Ater stock financial backers will cheer in bankable triple-digit gains. All things considered, there's another danger factor identifying with the responsibility for normal stock that might concern common investors today. In reality, I bet that Ater stock financial backers would prefer not to see this danger factor re-show up in the organization's second from last quarter profit report. Apparently Aterian was in an extreme emergency that necessary penances. The board needed to keep stock issuance choices open until it arrived at a settlement with enormous bank high trail investments. It's most likely the case that Ater was allowed to enlist all recently gave normal stock bunches after the September obligation goals. Considering the organization reconsidered its transportation contracts and secured sensible rates, the most exceedingly terrible could be over for Ater stock. That's what's been happening this week in the world of Ater stock news. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button at the bottom right and subscribe to Love Stocks right now, so that next week you will get the inside scoop on the latest developments to keep you and your business on the leading edge of Ater stock news. If you enjoyed this edition of Ater stock news, leave a comment and please hit the like or share button, we'd really appreciate it. Are you still watching and want more? Check out last week's Ater stock news by checking out our Ater playlist.